Well, hello everyone. This is Irma with my note cards, and today we're going to discuss how to choose papers for when you want to make a masculine card versus a feminine card. Now, a masculine card is a card that you would give a guy, your father, your brother, your boyfriend. It could be a get well card, a thinking of you card, missing you card, birthday card, of course. When it comes to masculine cards, you really want to stay away from the very pretty, feminine looking butterflies and flowers, okay? These are feminine cards, all right? Or I should say paper. These are perfect for mom or sister or a friend of yours that's feminine. You see that there are flowers. The colors very often will include pink, and other feminine type of images would be butterflies and maybe little hearts. Even though little hearts in themselves are not feminine, you can get away with hearts in a masculine card, but you don't want them to be too, you know what I mean. So if I am going to make a card for a friend, or I know it's going to be somebody who is feminine, a woman, then definitely some flowers, some butterflies. Those are the type of cards that I would make using this type of paper. For the guy, all right, your best bet is your colors that you would see when you go into a department store and you go into the men's section. You notice right away that the colors are not your pinks, lavenders, and yellows, but rather the colors often of men's clothing are the dark colors, the navy blues, the dark greens, the browns. So when you're choosing your paper, for your card, make sure that they include those colors. And some of these, okay, you can get away with plaids, checkerboards, all sorts of things like that. And again, if you're going to be stamping images, you stamp images that are very appropriate for a male, you know, maybe kind of sports theme and tools and that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to show that to you quickly, because sometimes often some people might have a little bit of an issue with well, where do I start when making a feminine card. So think of rugged stuff here, a plaid shirt, you know, a lumberjack. And again, think in terms of the colors that a lot of their clothing comes in. Your navy blues, your blacks, your grays, your dark greens, and your browns. And you can't go wrong with that. Hope you like this, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye for now.